Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you purchase iPhone 17 Pro Max. So this video is very important for you. iPhone 17 Pro Max are introducing new selfie camera. What is the new of this selfie camera? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start. So first of all, I just simply open here the camera in the photo section. Inside the photo section, if I do this one, so this is the selfie camera is activated here, and look at this here, middle of the screen here the zoom button is showing, zoom in and zoom out, and you can click here this button and your video or pictures automatically comes in the landscape. That one is really impressive. Inside the landscape you can still zoom in and zoom out option is available. That one is really nice. Second thing here, the top of the screen, the rotation option is available. If you like auto zoom, auto rotation, if you enable here, now is auto selfie mode is enabled. So some new person is coming on this particular frame, so this camera is automatically adjusts as per screen accordingly. So here the zoom in, zoom out option in available on the landscape as well. That one is really interesting. If you click here 6 dot, so here so many features you are receiving. Afterwards, if you enter here in the video section, inside the video section, look at this here, the landscape is also available. This is the horizontal and this is the landscape. That one is really nice. And same here is also available auto rotation. How many people's in come in the particular frame, the frame is automatically adjusts as per the requirement or how many people is available. One of the interesting parts here, if you click here 6 dot, so look at this here, dual capture mode is available. If you enable this dual capture mode, so here is my screen and the another camera is also activated here. Means both camera continuously record front camera and back camera as well. If you record this one, so the two screen is automatically recorded here, and if you close here and afterward see here the final outcome is automatically recorded here. So this is the final outcome. Using this process you should enjoy two screen at a time, record at a time, but just only requirement the 4K and 30 frame per second as a resolution point of view. If you use dual mode camera, if you use here single camera, so automatically the graphics and features is a change. So this is the some little restriction. Apart from that, this is the amazing features iPhone 17 Pro Max are introducing new selfie camera. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.